Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today we're going to take a look at a 2020 Harris 230 Grand Mariner. Let's go ahead and take a quick walk around. So if you look at the side of this boat, you'll notice that it has a black bar package going all the way around. Now, this black bar really brings out the white diamond in this boat. It's really pretty color with the midnight blue accent in the middle. Really gives this boat a real rich look to it. As we move to the back here, I want you to notice we have a really nice in-water seat on this setup here. We flip this seat down, giving anybody access to sit in the water a few inches so that they don't have to create extra work for themselves. Or now moving over here, we have a Mercury 225 horsepower outboard. This is a great motor, great for water sports, and plenty of power and speed to outrun any kind of storms or anything, really. We have a 3-blade stainless steel prop on this motor. Gives you a lot of real good bite and a lot of reliability. You see here on Harris, we always include a 4-step ladder with our pontoons. Now this just makes boarding from the water a whole lot easier. The water line would sit right about the middle ways of the tune. So as you can see, this ladder is sunken down 2 steps into the water. So it makes boarding really easy. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Starting back here at the back platform, as you can see that we have an extended platform here. Gives you a little bit extra move around space, especially with this rear lounger. Now, this thing could be flipped either forward or aft facing. And these bars in the back here actually make it legal to go down the waterways sitting in this seat. So it makes a really nice lounging area to take everybody out on. Now, let's go ahead and move closer to the inside of the boat. As you can see here, we have an aluminum tower. This is a really great option for anybody that wants to add that super sporty look to their boat and also have great functionality, being able to tie your rope up here to the top of the tower, making pulling tubes and wakeboarders a little better, and also providing plenty of coverage as we have a Bimini top included with this tower. Now, for any of those that are looking to store a boat like this tower does fold down, clearing up about 3 to 4 foot of room up top. Now, come on closer to the inside. I want to show you a little bit about the storage on this boat. If you look right here, we have a fiberglass enclosure in the back. Provides really good storage area, keeping all your stuff really nice and contained. So as you can see, the seats on this vessel are very large, very long, making your storage capacity that much larger. Every compartment is self-bailing, so to keep all your belongings nice and dry and out of the weather. Now I want to turn you over to our helm area here. As you can see, we have a Simrad chart plotter. This is a G05. This is a really great unit for anybody that's wanting to use this as a GPS, a fish finder, or really anything. Very versatile platform. Now, on our Grand Mariner, as you can see, this is a really fit and finished helm here. You have vinyl wrapped all the way around. You have this upgraded steering wheel, so it just creates to the rich look of this vessel. You also have a Mercury digital throttle. Now, what's so nice about this throttle? Well, it makes shifting seamless. And not only that, you actually have a docking mode on this. So that just limits your power a little bit, makes it a little easier to get into the dock when you're in those close quarters and tight situations. So moving on to the sound system on this boat, we have a JL Audio head unit equipped with 8 JL Audio speakers and a sub. If you want to get out on the water and have one of the best experiences of your life, this sound system can create that. I mean, just the most dynamic sound that you can get in a boat. It's just a very premium experience. Now, as we move closer to the bow area here, I want to point out a few storage things. So we have a changing room area here, which can either be equipped with the changing room door or be used as additional storage for any coolers or accessories that you may have. As you can see, we also have a ski locker on this vessel. Now, this is a great option for anybody going out to do any kind of water sports, whether that's with skis, with wakeboards, or tubes, which can all be stored in this compartment, which has a built-in bilge pump in the back, pump out any kind of residual water out. Now, coming up to these bow seats, as you can see, I am 5'10", 5'11", and whenever I lay down on this seat, I have extremely long leg space. It's just a really awesome thing when you have a boat of this size. You really increase the bow area and just the overall capacity in the front of this boat. Now, that being said, you also have longer storage with these longer seats. You have plenty of cup holders all around. I mean, this boat is an absolute experience-based boat. I'm Connemar with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. If you'd like to hear more about this vessel, please contact us. Thank you so much for watching.